Alright, everyone, excuse the mess on the makeshift table here. Today I want to talk about the cheap pressure sprayer type deals that you find at your local hardware store. Mine wasn't functioning this year, but the solution was simple. Of course, you want to make sure all your fittings, connections, etc. are good to go. If you have one of these with the quick pressure breaker guy, make sure you don't have it stuck open, that there's no debris there, nothing like that. And most likely what's wrong with it, you just need a pair of channel locks to solve. If you simply loosen this lock ring right here, and that'll allow this whole assembly to come out. Now, I'm going to bring this up and show you guys right here. There we go. Going to want to wash your hands after getting that stuff on there, huh? Anyway, this rubber O-ring right here is what provides the seal for the actual pumping action. Mine was shrunken somewhat and kind of gummed very much to the center portion of the shaft. All I did was free it up, slide it back in. It is keyed right here, so you will have to make sure that you get that back in there right, and then tighten to reattach. Now, if you had to, of course, you could take that O-ring to any quality hardware store, and they'd take care of that for you. My sprayer will now pump, get pressure, and spray with no problem. So there it is, guys. Quick and simple tip that could save you. Some of these things have actually gotten fairly expensive, which is why I looked at this. I just got this last year, so I'm obviously not going to pay to replace it after one season's use. All right, that's it, guys. Quick tip. Thanks a ton.